Good morning or afternoon, young junior high Eagles. My name is Miss Higginbotham and I am your librarian, and welcome to our virtual library. I'm going to give you a quick tour about some different things that you'll find here in the young junior high library. And just know that this is here for you as a resource, and I'm here for you as a resource if you need anything, as far as if you want a book referral, or if you need help with your computer, or you need help with Canvas, or you need if you need any assistance with anything, I'm here to support you. All right, so I'm going to give you a quick tour. This is my little Bitmoji, and anywhere you find her, she's usually clickable. So we're going to start here. This takes you to your research resources and your ebooks. A good thing to know about navigating this Canvas course is anytime you see the eagle reading, that's going to take you back to the main library. Okay, so anytime you see him, he's going to take you to this floor here. All right, so in this level, we have our ebooks, and if you click on the computer, you will find a list of our ebooks and how to access them, along with the username and passwords for each of these sites. Okay. Over here, you have your research resources. So as the year progresses and you are ready to do some research, you can find some of a couple of our research resources here, and then you can always access all of them by going to the Destiny link icon in your Rapid Identity. All right, let's go back down the stairs here. Another important place is my desk. This will be my desk, my office here. It gives you all the information you need to find me at any point in time. So you can always email me if you have a question. These are my Zoom office hours. So I'm in Zoom every day, Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 12, and then 1:30 to 3:30. If you need any help with finding a resource or finding a book, or you need help with Canvas, whatever you need, I'm here to support you. That's the meeting number and the passcode. And then just for fun, if you'd like to follow me on Twitter, I always kind of keep up to date with what is going on there. Also, if you ever forget your password or you need to change your student password, if you click this button here, it'll lead you to a form to fill out, and I'll get a notification and I'll change that as soon as possible. All right, back down to the floor. All right, so some of the hotspots here, if you go up the ladder, you're going to find a list of book reviews. I've read tons of books over the summer, and I am slowly getting out my video reviews. So here you'll find a link to the video of me reviewing the book that's next to it. This is also a link, and it'll take you to Sora, where you can check out the book, check out the ebook, I should say. So those are the 4 that I have so far. I'm working on a few more this week. All right. Right up here, if you want to ride the eagle, this will take you to our makerspace area. And our Eagles Makes program, there will be more to come on that. As the school year progresses, we'll have kind of an interactive makerspace program for you to partake in. Whoops. Here is where you will have the week's makerspace ideas. If you have some extra time, or you need a brain break, or you want to think about something else, you can go here and there'll be some makerspace ideas at home. All right. Right here is our Eagle Reads room. There will be an Eagle Reads program. Again, that will be something that kind of takes shape as we progress throughout the year. If you tap here, that's going to take you to a form, a Google form. If you want help finding a book, I highly suggest you fill out that form. I get a notification, and then I will send you some suggested titles and some links to some books I think you might enjoy. And then if you click on me, it'll tell you what I'm reading. So I'm currently reading Look Both Ways by Jason Reynolds. It's actually the second time I read it. I wanted to read it again because there's some really good stories in there I want to use in your English classes. All right, so here, back to the main floor. I think that about takes care of all my people. She just takes us back up to that room. So if you need anything or need any help with anything, this is where you can find me. If you have a question about anything, please stop by my office. I'd love to meet you. All right, have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon.